Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Lee and I will be discussing what I learned about organizational change from the diagnostic project that we did for our class. To get started, I will provide a brief overview on the company that I did the diagnostic project report for, JP Morgan Chase & Company. JPMC is one of the oldest financial institutions in the United States. It is an American multinational investment bank and financial services company operating in over 100 different countries. It is a leading global financial services firm with assets of $2.6 trillion. JPMC is a leader in investment banking, financial services for consumers and small businesses, commercial banking, financial transaction processing, and asset management. It serves millions of consumers, small businesses, and many of the world's most prominent corporate, institutional, and government clients. My diagnostic project was on the change of Chase Bank's sales platform from Contact Manager to Client Central, which affects about 17,000 employees in the consumer banking side of JPMC. I will now discuss what I learned about organizational change from the diagnostic project. I learned a few things about change. First, change is unique to the organization and it is unique to the situation. As a manager or leader in the organization, he or she will need to assess the situation and help the employees to embrace the change on a case-by-case basis. There is no one-size-fits-all approach for change. All organizations experience change. In order for the organization to grow in size, increase revenue or profits, cut costs, gain more clients, or do anything that will affect the organization as a whole, change must take place. Sometimes change is unpredictable, and sometimes change cannot always be calculated. I learned that motivation can play a huge role when it comes to accepting or rejecting change. There are different motivation factors for different types of changes. For example, career advancement, incentive increase, or new opportunities may help an employee embrace change, while complacency, inconvenience, or lack of additional benefits may lead to an employee to reject the change. Different employees will have different perceptions for the same change. For example, an employee that has been working with the company for 5 or more years and have been doing things the same way for a while may be hesitant to change, while a new employee who is still trying to learn the ropes may be willing to make changes since he or she has not formed the habit of doing things a certain way yet. Another thing that drives or inhibits motivation is employee morale. Employees' happiness with the organization and management can impact their embracement or resistance to change. The key takeaways that I have from interviewing the Chase Bank employees are: number 1, communication is key and is crucial when it comes to implementing change. There is some resistance to change from the individuals that I interviewed since the communication is a bit lacking. Proper implementation is very important for a successful change to take place. Number 2, goals are a huge motivation factor for the employees going through changes. Management needs to set clear goals to increase motivation among the employees. Having small incremental goals will help guide the employees on what they need to do in order to achieve the main purpose of the change. And number 3, good leadership is another important factor when it comes to change. The employees that I spoke with are unhappy with the change, but are willing to make the change because of their leader. They are very happy with Chase Bank as an organization and are happy with their direct manager. They are content with the way they are treated and the manager's management style. Good leadership leads to good employee morale, which will help the employees to embrace change. In conclusion, change is challenging but inevitable. It is crucial for companies to make organizational changes in order to stay competitive. Clear goals will lead to higher levels of motivation from employees. Great leadership is very helpful when it comes to helping employees embrace change. Empathy from management will help with employee morale. Also, change is not a one-person task. It takes the team's effort to achieve the objective. Thank you.